Alright guys, we got something different today. Got a Montech MKey mechanical keyboard. Let's open it up. It is a TKL, which means 10 keyless. This is the keyboard we've been using. A basic Dell one. Really flat, non-mechanical, 10 key. Alright, get that out of the way. So, it's got extra keycaps, keycap puller, switch puller, USB Type-C cable. So, and it's got 85 keys, 3 stages, because it's got adjustable feet, wired connection with USB interface, Gateron G Pro 2.0s, keycaps material PBT, keycaps profile MDAs, keycaps printing, dye sublimated legends, USB MKey rollover, there's the dimensions, and it's got RGB 18 mods. Let's open it up. This is my first unboxing of anything. Alright. Nice box. Ooh. Look at there. Looks like we got the layout. This is hot swappable. So that means I can swap out the switches without soldering, which is nice. I can put pretty much any switches I want in it. These are a tactile switch that's in it. There was a choice of 2 linears, which was a red, a yellow, and then this brown, which is a tactile. I like mine kind of clicky, but they didn't have a clicky option. So here's that info right there. I'll probably need this, so when I do switch out the switches. Oh, here's some more. So the knob does 3 different things, which is nice. Looks like it does volume, RGB, and zoom. Ooh, cushion. Yeah, it's got some weight to it. I like that. Here's the dust cover. Put that aside. Ah, that'll fall. It's alright, it won't hurt anything. Pull it out. Ooh, guys. Look at that. Isn't that a beaut? Now I got this off of Newegg. Originally this is like, for this 10 keyless, it's like 89 bucks, and the 10 key version is like 99. Got this for like 79 bucks, so it came out to 75, 79, whatever, but it came out to 80 bucks even. Okay, put that there. Pull this out. Here's the braided cable. Not bad. Believe this. Put those down. This is the Dark series. They have a Freedom series apparently. That's a blue. A brighter blue. Ugh. Gotta cut into everything here. Alright. It says Montech right there. You got your keycap puller and your switch puller. Pretty cool. Extra keycaps. This is like a it's like a Japanese castle theme with a dragon, Japanese castle. It's like a special one, but I like it. Get these out. Ooh, look at that, guys. I like that. Here's all the keycaps. So it looks like you get 4 keycaps. I thought you got 5, but it looks like it's just 4. Cool. So let's pull one off and see what it actually looks like here. First of all, let's hear it. Ooh. That spacebar sounds decent. You hear it, guys? These two might need just a hair help. But the rest is what you call thocky. It's not bad. I prefer clicky, but these are supposed to be tactile. Let's see if I actually got tactile. Yes, I did. Look at this. There's that brown switch with, looks like south-facing LEDs. Let's pull the switch out. Now, this is supposed to be hot swappable, but it's not acting like it. Let's see. There it went. There it is. I think they're supposed to be pre-lubed, and let's get that back in. Ah, well, these bent. See that? Alright, so let's get that keycap back on. Alright, now this is supposed to come with a program. Well, actually you can download it from Montech's website. So, first of all, let's fix some of this stuff up. You might have to get a better keycap or a switch puller because I think that's a little bent. Maybe I can bend it back. Yeah, I can bend it back. It's simple. I just don't think I was grabbing it deep enough and then I bent it. But doesn't seem like it's going anywhere. It's not falling out. Oh yeah, here's the back of it. Here's the flip up feet. It's kind of hard to do it with one finger. Looks like you don't have a whole lot, hardly any screws if you want to get into it and customize it now. But I think the only thing I'd want to do is maybe just switch out the switches. But let's see if it'll work here. Where is that? There it is. This will be my official first mechanical keyboard here. Let's get this behind here. Let's plug this in here. It is not wireless. I did think it was at the beginning, but it's not wireless. But that's alright. I've watched videos saying that this isn't wireless, so it does confirm it. Alright. So, right now there's no power. Is there a switch anywhere here? Let's get into this. Okay, it's in there. All right. I'm gonna let you guys go and I'll be back once I figure this out. Alright guys, I got it. The cord into the keyboard just wasn't in all the way. So there's what it looks like. There's the RGB. Looks pretty nice. So camera to behave here. Looks like that's the lowest it's going to go. Alright, you guys can kind of see it. So let's see how it does here. Let's go. should I go? Let's go to the internet here. Ooh, sound like they're about to get in an accident. Let's go to the Newegg website. Okay, let's see a little type. Oh my God, it does. Newegg.com. It's going really slow. There it goes. I notice our internet's gotten really slow. Alright. So, let's try and type with it here. Alright. Where's the word pad? Word pad. Oops. Gotta get used to these. Oops. Alright, here's what I typed, guys. It's cheesy. But it did it great. I love this keyboard. If you don't have a mechanical keyboard, I suggest you go out and get one. This is nice. Like I said, I do like mine a little clicky. But these are supposed to be tactile. To me, they feel linear. Well, there is a little bit of a bump there. But, let's see here. Ooh. Oh, it just went off. Ooh. You can change the RGB with the knob. That's kind of cool. All pink. Rainbow. Can it do all red? That'd be cool. Well, it's not really. Must be off. That's kind of cool. Are we getting the solid colors now? No? Be cool if we could. It's off again, so I think I just went, it must be another off. So 3 offs. That's weird. Oh. So here's this option, guys. Let me turn the screen back around here. So there's the zoom feature. Assuming that would be the, yep, there's the volume. That's pretty cool. So each click does something different. There we go. So you control your RGBs, or you can zoom in on a page, or you can turn your volume up, which is pretty cool. It does have some weight to it. Compared to this thing weighs like nothing compared to that. So I do still have numbers up here, and I have my function keys up here. I play that warship game, World of Warships, so you kind of need the function keys. There are like those 60% where if you hit like a button and then you hit a regular number, it counts as a function key. But there's just times in that game where you don't want to hit 2 buttons just to activate a function key. So that's why I like this. I have all my function keys. I got arrows. I got what I need on this side. So yeah, this is perfect for me. I'll get an extra numpad later on, because I don't always need the numpad. But when I'm playing a game that needs me to move the mouse around more, this is just simply too long, too wide. I bump into it. So this is a nice mix. I still have room while using the WSD, and then I can be over here. I don't have a mouse pad yet. So I haven't had one for quite some time, actually, a long time. So I want to get a desk mat. We are still planning to redo this whole space, but that might be a little longer than I thought because of a certain car repair. But we'll see. Dang it. But at least right now I have my keyboard I can enjoy. April will probably like it too. Let's see. So there's the smaller feet. They do have rubber on the feet, so it's not gonna slide. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. That's pretty nice. Yep. Love this keyboard. So yeah, that was the Montech TKL MKey. Apparently they used to make just computer cases. So to me, it's a nice keyboard. They need to get into more keyboard doing. So let's see here. Is there anything else helpful on this? Alright, you got your window key, your function, plus function. All your functions are up here. Got macro on, caps lock, Windows lock. Okay. Got print screen. Gotta hit function, huh? Where's your function? Ah, there's a function right there. Change lighting, blah, blah, that's cool. Change lighting color. Decrease brightness. Oops. Computer didn't like that. Oh, okay. Gotta hit the function key. Change lighting color. Well, that's not doing much of anything. Can change by using the rotary knob or FNC. Ah, there we go. So you don't even really have to use the knob. You can also use FNC. Ooh, is that staying on blue? No, it's doing a slow fade. So FNC, boom. Now it's going to do a pulse. There's your brightness. That's max bright right there. Oh, sweet. So it can do solid colors, guys. There's solid red right there. Yeah, solid red. So you do function, and then your right arrow key, and it changes the colors. That's pretty cool. Here's green. Like a light blue. There's white in there. There's multicolor. So there's multicolor. It just stays solid like that. Hit FM. Red. So it has red, kind of orange, yellow, green, blue, dark blue, purple, and white, and then multicolor. So let's go with just red. There we go. Windows lock, unlock. Looks like that's function and then plus window key. Got function shift escape, long press 3 seconds to reset the factory settings. Okay. Turn off mic. Oh, okay. The function. Okay, I see. Play, pause, lighting speed, down, low, whatever. Cool. So yeah. There's that. Start recording macro. I don't need to do that right now, so I'm not going to really worry about that too much. But yeah, that was that. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's not too in depth, but let's change the spacebar out. Let's change it to this guy. There we go. I'm not entirely sure I have that the right side. Let's see what it looks like if I switch it around here. I don't know. Until I can figure that one out, I might just keep this one on here. Okay, that one went on nice. What other key should I swap? There's a Skype. Enter, just the shift key? No, that would be the enter key. Yeah, I can make a shift key there though. That's cool. Alright, so that'd be one of them here. But I'll just keep those there for now. And I don't know what that was. Boo, 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 boo. Alright. So, yep. I'm going to finish here. You guys have a good day, and I'll see you later. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.